Hello students, myself Professor S.P. Sigla from RS classes. Today we will take remaining questions of arithmetic, progression. So continuing with the previous lecture, the next question is how many two-digit numbers leave remainder 1 when divided by 5? 2 डिजिट के ऐसे कितने नंबर हैं जिनको अगर 5 से डिवाइड करो तो एक रिमाइंडर बचेगा. The two-digit numbers which leave remainder 1 on dividing by 5 are 11, 16, 21, so on. And the last two-digit number which when divided by 5 leaves remainder 1 is 96. So numbers are 11, 16, 21 and 96. So here what is A? 11. What is D? 16 minus 11. Sorry. Yes. It is 16 minus 11 is equal to, I will write it again. D is equal to 16 minus 11 is equal to 5. And here the last term is given. What is the last term? 96. Applying formula for last term, L is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Last term is 96, A is 11 plus N minus 1, D is 5. That is 96 is equal to 11 plus 5n minus 5. So from here what is 5n? 5n is equal to 96 minus 6 is equal to 90. That is n is equal to 90 upon 5 is equal to 18. There are 18 two-digit numbers. So there are 18 two-digit numbers which leave remainder 1 when divided by 5. Next is determine k so that k plus 2, 4k minus 6, 3k minus 2 are in AP. So k plus 2, 4k minus 6, 3k minus 2 are in AP. This implies the common difference of first two terms, that is 4k minus 6 minus k plus 2 is equal to common difference of the next two terms, that is we know in an AP the sum of consecutive the difference of consecutive two terms is same. So second minus first is equal to third minus second, which implies 4k minus 6 minus k minus 2 is equal to 3k minus 2 minus 4k plus 6, which implies 4k minus k 3k and 3k minus 4k minus k इस तरफ लाओगे बन जाएगा प्लस k is equal to, this is 6 minus 2 4 minus 6 minus 2 minus 8, दूसरी तरफ जाके हो जाएगा plus 8, which implies 4k is equal to 12, which implies k is equal to 3. Next है show that the sequence log a log ab square is an AP. So here I will tell you properties of logarithm. Properties of log. The first is log a और log m प्लस log n इज इक्वल टू log n। तो अगर आप लॉग की टर्म्स, दो लॉग की टर्म्स को ऐड करोगे तो दैट इज इक्वल टू लॉग ऑफ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ बोथ क्वांटिटीज, और इट कैन बी रिवर्स आल्सो, log mn इज इक्वल टू log m प्लस log n। सेकेंड इज log m minus log n, this is log m upon n। if it is minus difference of two logs then it is डिनोमिनेटर में माइनस वाला आएगा m upon n। एंड थर्ड इज m log n, m times log n, this is equal to log n raised to the power m। so this is the number before log goes to the power। these are three properties of logarithm which will be used in this question। example 19, log a log ab। so given log a log ab log ab square so on are in ap। इसके nth टर्म निकालनी है। here what is a, फर्स्ट टर्म किसके बराबर है, log a के। what is common difference, common difference is second term that is log ab minus first term that is log a। this is equal to, apply this property, log m minus log n, this will be log ab upon a cancels, that is log b। तो we have applied this property, common difference आ गया। तो what is tn, a plus n minus 1 into b। what is a is equal to log a plus n minus 1। what is common difference, log b, this is equal to log a plus, now this n plus 1 according to this third property, m goes into power, here n minus goes into power, that is log b raised to the power n minus 1। now this is plus sum of two log, property number 1, both quantities get multiplied, log ab raised to the power n minus 1। ठीक है, तो दिस इज गिवन, फर्स्ट टर्म इज log a, कॉमन डिफरेंस इज सेकेंड टर्म माइनस फर्स्ट टर्म। तो दो लॉग जो माइनस उनने हैं, जो माइनस वाली क्वांटिटी है और नीचे आ जाती है, log ab अपॉन ए कैंसिल हो गया, b log b। tn निकालना है, a प्लस n माइनस 1 इंटू d, a की वैल्यू है log a प्लस n माइनस 1, कॉमन डिफरेंस इज log b। तो दिस अकॉर्डिंग टू सेकंड प्रॉपर्टी, थर्ड प्रॉपर्टी, दिस गोज टू द पावर, then there is plus according to first property log product of both, that is it, this is the answer। which term of the sequence 8 minus 6i 7 minus 4i means eta, 6 minus 2 eta so on is purely real or purely imaginary। here what is a, 8 minus 6i, what is common difference, 7 minus 4i minus 8 minus 6i, that is 7 minus 4i minus 8 plus 6 eta। so this comes out minus 1 plus, this comes out minus 1 plus 2 eta, this is d। तो what is tn, इसकी tn निकाल लो पहले, tn is a plus n minus 1 into d, a is 8 minus 6 eta plus n minus 1 into d, d is minus 1 plus 2 eta, this is 8 minus 6 eta, multiplying प्लस माइनस एन नाल मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, माइनस एन प्लस 2n एटा, देन माइनस माइनस प्लस 1 minus 2 eta। now write real and imaginary part, 8 minus n plus 1, this is 9 minus n plus null eta, आइटा, -6 आइटा, -2 आइटा, -8 आइटा, 2n आइटा, तो 2n -8 आइटा, दिस इज 2n -8 आइटा. Now which term is purely real? Tn is purely real. If Tn purely real होगा अगर इसका imaginary part 0 होगा, that is if 2n -8 is equal to 0, that is यहाँ से n आ जाएगा 4th. Therefore fourth term is प्योरली रियल. ये फर्स्ट पार्ट आ गया. सेकेंड, Tn will be purely imaginary if its real part is 0, that is 9 minus n is equal to 0 or n is equal to 9. Therefore 9th term is purely imaginary. So here we have calculated the nth term, and so it will be purely real if imaginary part is 0, and it will be purely imaginary if real part is 0. Then the next question. Find the number of identical terms in the two arithmetic progressions. इसमें दो प्रोग्रेशन दिए हुए हैं, इनकी कॉमन टर्म्स निकालिए कितनी होंगी. तो फर्स्ट प्रोग्रेशन है 2, 4, 6, 8 so on up to 100 terms. इसकी what is the first term? I am taking it a1, 2. What is the common difference? d1 of this series 4 minus 2, 2. And what is the number of terms in this series? n1 is equal to 100. So what is the 100 term of this series? d100 is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, that is 2 plus 198 is equal to 200. Now take the second series. Second series is 3, 6, 9, 12 so on up to 80 terms. So here the first term is of this series is 3. Common difference of this series is 6 minus 3, 3, and number of terms of this series is 80. So what is the t80th of this series? A is 3 plus n is 80 minus 1 into common difference is 3. This is equal to 3 plus 237 is equal to 240. Now the last common term for both series must be less than least of 200 and 240, that is 200. Now what is common difference of common terms? It is d1 multiplied by d2, that is 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Now looking at the series, you can write the series. You will find that the first common term is 6 and you will add 6, next will 12. आप ऐड करके देख सकते हैं 8 plus 2 10 plus 2 12. ठीक है, तो the common terms are 6, 12, 18 so on. कॉमन टर्म्स ये होंगी और इस सीरीज की जो एक कॉमन टर्म्स की सीरीज है इसकी लास्ट टर्म 200 से कम होनी चाहिए। दैट इज इस सीरीज की Tn जो है दैट शुड बी लेस देन इक्वल टू 200। दैट इज व्हाट इज द Tn ऑफ दिस सीरीज 6 n minus 1 into d is 6 less than equal to 200। that is when we will open this will be 6n less than equal to 200। that is n less than equal to 200 by 6, that is less than equal to 100 by 3। this is 33 and a half, and the number whole number immediately less than 33 by half is 33। therefore 33 terms of both the series are common। एक बार फिर 10 रहे क्वेश्चन, दोनों सीरीज दी हुई है, पहले फर्स्ट टर्म की लास्ट टर्म निकाल लो, ये आगे दूसरी सीरीज की लास्ट टर्म निकाल लो। अब जो दोनों की कॉमन टर्म्स हैं वो 200 या 200 से कम होगी, क्योंकि इस सीरीज की टर्म तो 200 से बड़ी हो नहीं सकती, तो कॉमन टर्म्स भी 200 से कम होंगी। और कॉमन टर्म्स क्या होंगी, उस जो कॉमन टर्म्स की सीरीज बनेगी उसका कॉमन डिफरेंस क्या होगा, दोनों के कॉमन डिफरेंस की मल्टीप्लिकेशन। ठीक है, ये एलसीएम कहते हैं इसको, एलसीएम। इसमें मैंने मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, दोनों जो सीरीज है उनके कॉमन डिफरेंस का एलसीएम होगा। दिस इज 2 into 2 and 3 का एलसीएम 2 into 3 6 आ गया। अगर हम बाई फिजिकली देखेंगे तो इसकी फर्स्ट टर्म दोनों की कॉमन है 6, तो पहली दो टर्म्स देख लीजिए कौन सी है, पहली 6 है, दूसरी 12 आएगी। अगर हम लिखेंगे 8 कॉमन डिफरेंस 2 है 10 12। ठीक है, तो 6 12 18 100। अब हमने निकालनी 200 तक ऐसी कितनी टर्म्स आएंगी, तो इसकी Tn क्या होनी चाहिए, 200 या 200 से कम। ये Tn का फार्मूला लगा दिया, n आ गया लेस देन इक्वल टू 33 and a half। तो 33 and a half n इज ऑलवेज ए नेचुरल नंबर। ठीक है, हाफ नहीं है, 3 होल 1/3, तो n इज ऑलवेज ए नेचुरल नंबर। तो बड़ी नेचुरल नंबर इमीडिएटली लेस देन दिस 33। तो 33 टर्म्स ऑफ बोथ द सीरीज आर कॉमन। तो दिस कंप्लीट्स जनरल टर्म, that is questions on Tn, general term of an AP।